To connect Revolut to Google Pay, you need to have a few things set up. First, you need a Revolut account and a Google Pay account, as well as a compatible device with the Google Pay app installed. First, open the Revolut app and go to the Cards section. Here, you will see all your Revolut cards, including your physical and virtual cards. Next, select the card you want to add to Google Pay. This can be either a physical or virtual card, but make sure it is the card you want to use for transactions. After selecting your card, you will see an option to add it to a digital wallet. Tap on this option and select Google Pay from the list of available wallets. You will then be redirected to the Google Pay app, where you will be prompted to add your Revolut card. To confirm the addition, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you by Revolut or complete a security check. Once you have completed the verification process, your Revolut card will be added to Google Pay and you can start making transactions using your phone. It is always a good idea to review the terms and conditions of both Revolut and Google Pay to understand any fees or limitations associated with using their services. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Revolut account to Google Pay and start making contactless payments using your phone. It is also important to note that you should keep your device and accounts secure to prevent unauthorized access and protect your funds. Overall, connecting Revolut to Google Pay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes, and it can provide you with a convenient and secure way to make payments on the go.